Not all beer systems are the same. Hi, I'm Corinne Wallenda with Perlick, and each of our Century beer systems is factory engineered and balanced using only the highest quality materials and manufactured right here in Milwaukee. Let me show you what I mean. Since 1917, Perlick has been a pioneer in developing innovative draft beer solutions. In 1964, Perlick debuted the first remote beer system that propelled the beer 100 feet away from the keg cooler at the World's Fair in New York City. Today, more than 85 stadiums in North America serve their draft beers using a Perlick Century system. Perlick Century system is the only remote draft beer delivery system in the marketplace that is manufactured and factory engineered specifically to work as a complete system and not just an assortment of separate parts and pieces. Our Century systems are comprised of 4 major product groups: the power pack, the regulator panel kits, the trunk line, and the jewelry of the beer system, the tower. All these components, designed to work in tandem, create a system that delivers your draft beer to your guest's glass at the perfect temperature with just the right amount of carbonation. Perlick guarantees it in writing. Let's take a closer look at our products. Perlick's compact and high-efficiency power pack is a glycol chiller that cools and circulates the food-grade propylene glycol refrigeration throughout the entire draft beer system, ensuring your beer stays cold from keg to tap. Our regulator panel kits, installed into your keg cooler, are designed to optimize the flow of beer from the keg cooler to your tower. Optional beer pumps are a flexible and efficient solution for high-volume, long-draw draft systems for your restaurant. Plus, they can work with beer that requires a blend of carbon dioxide and nitrogen, or carbon dioxide alone. Perlick designs and builds the only trunk line in the market that utilizes copper glycol coolant lines for cooling efficiency. Through the superior conductivity of copper, we achieve enhanced product stabilization through consistent temperature maintenance. It is this consistent temperature from the cooler to the tower that protects draft beer quality for your bartenders and guests, reduces waste, and delivers maximum profitability to you. Perlick builds the most robust and efficient towers in the market today. With state-of-the-art alloy heat exchangers, the highest insulation value of any commercially manufactured tower, and superior sanitation standards in manufacturing, the Perlick tower is the crown jewel on your bar. Last but certainly not least, the Perlick forward sealing faucet. Our patented 304 stainless steel faucet with its revolutionary ball and floating front seal design prevents your beer from being exposed to air. Air on beer results in bacteria. As a result, there is no buildup of bacteria in the faucet body like there is with all other faucets. Perlick's forward sealing faucets also allow you to pour all beverage types, including wine, coffee, and cocktails, without risking any flavor tarnishing. Perlick is the only manufacturer who builds a system specifically for your application with the goal of delivering quality to your guests and profit maximization to you. In fact, we put all of this in writing with our Perlick Performance Guarantee. Now, isn't that the kind of partnership you want in a supplier? The Perlick Century system always pours cold and profitable, guaranteed. What can we build for you? For more information, please contact your local Perlick rep or visit us at perlick.com. And cheers to draft beers.